Hey everyone, Stelios from Stocklock here. Today is Tuesday, July 14th. I'm looking to buy EBON, 5,000 shares. If we get over 650, and I got a fill, 652. I also have an order to short INMB and YIMI. Stop limit orders on both. INMB, I just got a fill, 16.99. 5,000 shares is dropping, it's looking good. And I'm about to get a fill on WIMI. I just got a fill 17.24, 10,000 shares. I'm looking for 90 cents. I covered 16.41. Now I tried to cover but didn't get a fill. I got a fill just now. 5,000 shares, $4,000 realized profit on WIMI. EBON is not looking very good. It didn't break yet. Now it's trying to bounce. Let's see if we see a continuation. INMB, it's halted. I predict it will bounce after the halt finishes, and I'm planning to add on a bounce after the halt on INMB. EBON is trying to break out above day's highs. WIMI is dropping more, 7,000 unrealized profit till now, 5,000 shares short. INMB, it's still halted, waiting for the open to add more. WIMI is just spiked. I'm going to add on this spike. I added 5,000 shares. This is just a covering spike. It should reverse back. I'm using my first trade's profits as collateral to add more size. Here it is. Usually these covering spikes fail on these gut downs. Look at the daily. We saw an extreme run from $4 up to 30. EBON, as long as it holds 6, we are good to go. If we break 6, I will have to get out for a loss. INMB, it's still halted. WIMI is basing now. I want to add more because this setup is one of the setups I like the most. I added 2,000 shares more. All right, INMB started trading again. As I said, I want to add on any bounce after the halt. I'm looking for the VWAP. I added at 17.16. Now I have a total of 10,000 shares on INMB. WIMI dropped for a minute, now it's basing again. EBON, I like this base, it should break out. INMB, it should reverse here. All right, I see a movement on INMB. If I see a drop down, I will take a partial for sure. Just a spike down to give me my partial. And EBON is breaking out as expected. If we break 650s, it should see 7 very soon, and that's where I will take my partial, just below 7. All right, INMB, here is the spike I was looking for. I'm about to take a partial. And I got a fill at 16.45, 5,000 shares, realized profit 3,000 on INMB. WIMI is bouncing again. INMB dropping more. Now we are about to break 16. We just broke 16, trading at 15.95s. I've set an order to cover at 15.88, and now EBON broke out as anticipated. I took my partial at 6.98. Now we are trading at at 7.15. INMB is dropping more. WIMI is moving south. Currently I'm break even for the day, but I will not let WIMI turn me red for the day, so I will watch this closely. Here it is. All right, INMB, it looks like it finds support on 15.30s, so I'm covering at 15.33. $10,000 profit on INMB. WIMI reversing. I added one more time on WIMI, 5,000 shares. Now my average is 10.54. EBON, I sold the rest 2,000 shares at my entry price. Total profit on EBON, $1,300. Now WIMI, if it reverses here, we will see a lower high and it will probably break down from the VWAP and I will start covering. So that's why I'm adding more at 19.03, because I'm expecting a lower high here, reject of 19, and the VWAP break to cover. So let's see what happens. It's the only trade I have left open now, WIMI, and it's the trade I'm expecting the biggest profit, because I really like this setup. That's why I added heavy. And now it's breaking 1870s. I'm about to take a partial close to 1850s. And here is 1850s. I wasn't quick enough to cover. Let's see if we test it again. I'm calling all these trades in our free chat room, so feel free to join. Visit stocklockTrading.com. WIMI, here is another chance. I missed it again. It's moving very fast. Now let's see if it breaks, and it broke 1850. And now is my chance to cover. All right, if I see 1850 again, I will need to take a partial, or else let's see 18, let the chart speak to you, and that's what I'm doing. I'm watching level 2, and here it's 18. It gave us 1801 for a minute. I should have had a limit order in. Now I've set a limit order 1805, 5,000 shares, and I got a fill, $7,000 profit. That's an excellent patience. Letting the level two speak to me where to cover. Now it's testing 18, and we just broke 18 with some volume. $17.80, and I took another partial, 5,000 shares, $17.79, $11,000 realized. Till now I still have 12,000 shares short, testing 1760s. That's actually my bread and butter setup. Parabolic run on the daily and short intraday on specific levels. I took another partial at 1747 and one more at 1688 on this sudden drop. I still have 2,600 shares short, realized $26,000 till now on WIMI, and realized 30,000. And I covered the rest at 1682. I just had an amazing day, $42,000, and thanks everyone for watching and supporting this channel. Give me a follow on Instagram as well to see my daily profits posted.